Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is about typography in Photoshop. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. To create same effect like mine, create a new file. Width is 1920, height is 1080, resolution is 300 pixels. Now add black solid color. Open Type tool. I am using ballpark font for this effect. Size is 72. Font color is white. Press Ctrl+J to copy. Hold Shift and select all text layers. Press Ctrl+G to group. Press Ctrl+T to adjust. Hold Ctrl+A to change its angle. Then click OK. Again, press Ctrl+A, and align text in center, by clicking on the options at the top. Now, go to Effects and add Stroke to group. Size is 53 and position is outside. Opacity is 100%. Use this color code and click OK. Press Ctrl+J twice. Open stroke of second group layer. We will only change its color. Use this color code. And click OK. Now drag this layer to right or press right arrow on your keyboard. Now, open stroke of third layer, change size to 46 and click OK. Hold Shift and select first three layers, press Ctrl+G to group. Open layer style of this layer. In stroke option change its color, use white color. Size is 13. Open this group and add gradient overlay to its first layer. Blend mode is normal, opacity is 100. Open gradient editor. Use basic pattern and note the colors. It's a combination of 3 colors. Style is linear, scale is 73 and click OK. Now, add in a shadow to this layer. Blend mode is soft light, color is black and angle is 90. Distance is 5, choke and size is 0. Create a new layer, open Pen tool or press P. Fill is white and stroke is off. Make curved shapes in each alphabet. Click on Combine Shapes to merge them in one layer. Again, create a new layer, use Pen tool with black color, and remove overlapping color between texts B. Close this group and create a new layer. Open Ellipse tool, fill is white and stroke is off. Make sparkles using this tool. Click on Combine Shapes. Make small and big sparkling shapes. Again, create a new layer and use Ellipse tool. Make shining shapes using this tool. Press Ctrl+J and rotate. Once you made this, make its copies and use where you like. If you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.